Assalamualaikum. My name is Syazwani Binti Razak. My metric number is CE180107.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Noor Asyikin Binti Shuib and my matrix number CE180061.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Siti Nurhamiza Binti Ibrahim and my metric number is CE180115.
Okay. I explain for the introduction. What is the packet tracer? Packet tracer is a network simulation software. The simulation is very useful if you get a complex network but only have limited physical component. The type of connection cable of the straight to cable. First, water to switch, water to hard, PC to switch, and PC to hard. Next, for the crossover cable, first water to water to PC, switch to switch, and switch to hard. Lastly, for the water via PC, use a wool over cable. For the next, I explain about bit area network or one. Okay, one is a network that has a very great distance because it reduce include a country and continent. One user transmission facilities use a telephone, submarine cable, or a satellite. One has a connected server LAN to the communication line from the service provider because the communication line cannot be entered into the LAN server interface device required. For the command device are water, channel server unit or data server unit, modem, and communication server. Okay, one divided into several type including is listen line, circuit switching, and packet switching. Okay, finally, one is that everyone in this network can use the same data and have a large or extensive network system that can reach country and even that will work. Okay, for the simulation, I explain for connection to hard PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, and PC5. For the IP address for PC1 and PC1 IP address and 1. For the PC2 IP address the same and to change to 2. For the PC3 same and we change to 3. PC4 IP address same and change for number 4. And lastly PC5 IP address the same and we need to change a 5. Next, I show the common pounds. Okay. IP complete enter. Okay. Next, ping. Okay, we need IP address. Okay. This we static IP address and packet send 20, PC 20, loss 0. Okay, for the minimal second 0 millisecond, maximum for the total 1 millisecond.
Okay, this is network using a switch. Now I'm going to set the IP address for each PC. PC0, PC1, PC2, PC3, and PC4. Here, set the IP address which is 192.168.0.1. 4, and the last one 5. After set all the IP address is PC, now use command prompt to ping PC5 by sending 20 echo requests. Now I say config enter and set the ping PC5 IP address, which is 192.168.0.5 negative and 20 for the request echo. And here enter. You can see it's receive 20 echo requests, and here do not have loss and receive all the requests is 20. This is because the network using switch is a semi-intelligent device compared to the sub, because that can know the switch device are connected.
I will continue for last part network configuration, which is network using full switch and a router. I already arranged the network based on question given and already enter the IP address for each PC. Okay, the router is allowed to split internet connection to all device, and as a run firewall, and the router determine where to send information from one computer to another. Okay, for the switch switch help to manage the flow the data across the network, used as a computer network to connect the device together, and a switch can transfer data to any of the other device either using half duplex mode or full duplex mode. Okay, we'll continue for step 6, which is from PC1 ping PC5 by sending 20 echo requests. Okay, first step, put IP address 5, which is 192.168.0.5 negative and 20. Okay, this is a process for the ping for 20, because we request 20. Okay, for the step 6, ping PC1 to PC5, the ping show the successful and echo request gets to the destination. So for the next step is PC1 ping to PC10. The step is same. Okay, put the IP address for 10 and negative and 20. The ping command output show that the packet loss occurred or the network delay was long. Packet loss is either caused by error in data transmission. I continue for part conclusion. At the end of this project, we managed to understand the function of a type network configuration, create and change the network using software simulation, which is a Cisco packet tracer. And using this simulation tools, the challenge has been smooth, and the student have a big opportunity to simulate real-world network easily and effectively. In addition, while doing this project, we have been reading many articles related and be able to understand its basic operation and help us to wider knowledge about network configuration. Last but not least, we able to get a better understanding of this concept. That's all from me. Thank you.